Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Nerf accessories is probably one of the most exciting ways to enhance your Nerf battles. From tactical vests and extra dart storage to scopes and modified blasters, the right accessories can seriously up your game. In this video, we're diving into some of the coolest Nerf accessories out there, helping you choose the perfect gear to dominate the battlefield and have a blast while doing it. Number 5. Nerf Elite Disruptor Blaster Reflex. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with this blaster. It features a rotating drum that holds up to 6 darts. Load them up and prepare for action. You can fire one dart at a time or unleash them all with slam fire action. Just pull back the slide and press the trigger. It's that easy to get the upper hand. This set includes 6 official Nerf Elite darts. They are made of foam, making them safe for indoor and outdoor play. These darts are tested for performance and quality. The packaging is simple and recyclable. It's easy to open and frustration-free. This ensures a better experience for everyone. Find this awesome blaster exclusively on Amazon. Get yours today and start the fun. What we like. This blaster features a 6-dart rotating drum, allowing you to fire multiple darts without reloading frequently. It also has a slam fire action for rapid firing. If you are looking for a blaster that offers both capacity and speed, this is a great choice for Nerf battles. What people say. The rotating drum holds 6 darts, and it's quick to load. The slam fire feature is a game changer, letting you fire all 6 darts in rapid succession. The Nerf Elite Disruptor is a compact yet powerful blaster with a quick-draw design and smooth rotating drum. Number 4. Kids Tactical Vest Kit for Nerf Gun. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with this tactical vest kit. It's designed to give you the edge in any Nerf battle, providing both protection and easy access to your ammo. This vest is built for action, featuring multiple storage options for darts and accessories. It's the perfect way to stay organized and prepared during intense Nerf wars. Designed specifically for Nerf N-Strike Elite series, this vest ensures a perfect fit and maximum comfort. You'll be able to move freely and focus on your strategy. The vest offers a layer of protection while you're in the heat of the game. It's a must-have accessory for any serious Nerf enthusiast. With this tactical vest kit, you'll be ready to take on any challenge. It's the ultimate gear for Nerf battles, helping you to become a true champion. What we like. This tactical vest kit provides a complete set of gear for Nerf battles. It includes a vest for carrying extra darts and clips. If you want to enhance your Nerf game with more storage and protection, this vest is perfect for you. What people say. Holds a lot of foam Nerf bullets. He wears it and has so much fun playing with the neighborhood kids in their Nerf wars. The vest fully ignites the imagination and turns a regular 4-year-old into a full-blown Nerf tactical hero, who runs around in full giggle mode, making his grandma smile from ear to ear, even when she's getting nailed in the tush or the forehead by random Nerf bullets. Number 3. 2-Pack Kids Tactical Vest Kit for Nerf Guns. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with this awesome tactical vest kit. It includes everything you need to stay protected and prepared during your Nerf battles. The vest is designed to hold all your essential gear. It keeps everything within easy reach, so you can reload quickly and stay in the game. Never run out of ammo with the included refill darts and reload clips. This ensures that you're always ready to fire and keep the fun going. Safety first. The kit comes with a tactical mask, wristband, and protective glasses. They will help you stay safe while you're having fun. This kit is perfect for boys and girls who love Nerf. It's the ultimate way to enhance your Nerf battles and have a blast with friends. What we like. This kit comes with 2 sets of tactical gear, perfect for team play. It includes darts, clips, and protective accessories like a mask and glasses. If you are planning a Nerf war with friends or family, this kit will equip everyone for action. What people say. Functionality works perfect with safety goggles. Stores capacity is very easy to put away. Great having the set of 2. Allowed for teamwork or they could play against each other. The vest, gaiter, and glasses are the most popular of all that is included. Number 2. Nerf Elite 2.0 Flipshots Flip 32 Blaster. Get ready to flip into action with this blaster. It features 32 barrels, with 16 facing forward and 16 facing backward. You can fire darts from the front, then flip the rear barrels to keep the fun going. This blaster holds a total of 32 darts, with 1 dart per barrel. It comes with 32 official Nerf Elite foam darts, so you can fully load all the barrels and start playing right away. Fire 16 darts from the front barrels, and then pull the handle. This action flips the rear barrels forward, allowing you to surprise your opponents with another 16 shots. You have the option to fire 1 or 2 darts at a time. Pull the trigger halfway to launch a single dart, or pull it all the way back to unleash 2 darts simultaneously with lever action priming. This Flipshot blaster is perfect for outdoor games. It's designed to create thrilling experiences for kids. It makes an awesome gift for kids aged 8 and up who love toy foam blasters. What we like. This blaster features 32 barrels that flip to double your firepower. It has a high dart capacity, ensuring you stay in the game longer. If you like a blaster with a unique design and want to dominate the battlefield, this is the one for you. What people say. The lever and flip action are way more fun than the motorized blasters. This particular Nerf has a flipping barrel that holds more ammo and sets it apart from your typical foam dart gun. Number 1. Nerf Party Supplies, 16 sets. Get ready for an action-packed Nerf war. This set has everything you need to equip your team. It's perfect for a birthday party or any Nerf-themed event. Each player gets their own set of gear. This includes a wristband ammo holder, a camo bandana, foam bullets, and protective goggles. They will be well prepared for any mission. These supplies double as fantastic party favors. Kids can use them during the games and take them home as a special treat. It's a great way to keep the fun going. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Nerf blasters. Whether you have Elite and Strike, Jolts, or even Fortnite blasters, it will work perfectly. They will be ready to go. Transform your party with blue and orange decorations. Add a cake, plates, and banners to complete the theme. This kit will make the party unforgettable. Make your son or grandson's birthday extra special. This multi-pack has everything you need for an epic Nerf war. It's the perfect gift for any Nerf enthusiast. What we like. This pack includes everything you need for a Nerf-themed party, with multiple sets of accessories. Each player gets a wristband, bandana, darts, and goggles. If you are organizing a Nerf party, this pack will make it a memorable event for everyone. What people say. The accessories are well made and durable. The attachments fit securely on the Nerf blasters. The variety of accessories provides different tactical options. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.